I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, large numbers. Number 1, write the number names of the following. I'm sure everybody knows how to write the number name of the numerals. Okay, so this is 39,252. So how will you write it? 30,000, then 200. 252, right? And question number 2, write the following in figures. Now the number name has been given to you, you have to write in figures. 18,006, 18,006, right? We are familiar with counting numbers of 7 or fewer digits. We know that the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. And the greatest 7-digit number is this number, that is 99,99,999. Suppose we add one more to this number, that is the greatest 7-digit number. What will we get? We get the smallest 8-digit number. Okay, so we read this as 1 crore. This is the smallest 8-digit number. Some 8-digit numbers beyond 1 crore are given below. See, this 2 crore, 3 crore, 4 crore, 5 crore, 6 crore, 7 crore, 8 crore and 9 crore. Now the greatest 8-digit number is this. It is read as 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. And suppose we add 1 to it, we get the smallest 9-digit number. Okay, we read it as 10 crore. And this is the smallest 9-digit number. In the place value chart, the 8th place is called crores place and the 9th place is called the 10 crores place. Okay, place value of digits in numbers. In an Indian place value chart, there are 4 groups called periods. Following is a place value chart showing the first 9 places. So this is the Indian place value chart. Okay, so crores period, we have 10 crore, crore. Okay, then lakhs, 10 lakh, lakh, and thousands periods we have 10,000s and 10,000, thousand. Okay, and in ones period, or we can say units period, we have 100, 10 and 1. Okay, so this is the only period which has 3 places. Okay, the Indian place value chart can be extended further to left to have more than 9 places. We have seen that the place to the left of 1 crore is 10 crores place. Similarly, the places just to the left of the 10 crores place are called 100 crores place, 1000 crores place, etc. Reading a number. Now let's learn how to read a number. Before reading a number, we divide it into periods, starting from the right. The first period, which consists of 3 digits, is called the units period. The second period, which consists of 2 digits, is called the thousands period. The third period is called the lakhs period and the fourth period is called crores period. It consists of 2 digits in case of a 9-digit number. We usually separate the period by a comma. Everybody knows that. Okay, in modern notation we leave a shorter space between the periods instead of using a comma. Okay, example 1, read the following numbers and write in words. Okay, so you have to write this number in words. Okay, first we divide it into 4 periods starting from the right. Okay, as follows. See, ones period we have 989, then 1000, 56, lakhs, 34 and then crores 2. So we write this as 2 crore 34 lakhs 56,789. Okay, so writing the tens with gap in between, we write it as, now we don't use these commas anymore, we just leave a space between the periods. Okay, we can read and write the number as 2 crore 34 lakh 56,789. Okay, similarly, if for this number also we will first divide the number into periods. Okay, and with commas we write this as, and with the gaps we write this number as this. Okay, and we read and write it as a 13 crore 45 lakh 67,892. Number 2, arrange the digits of each of the following numerals in the place value chart and write by separating the periods. Okay. Okay, this is very simple. You can do it. You have to just put all these numbers on the place value chart. Okay. Now, example 3 is write the following in words. Again, you have to write these numbers in words. First, you will place them in place value chart, and then you will write in words for these numerals. Okay. Similarly, example 4, find the place value of each of the digits in the numeral this. Okay, so we have to find out the place value of each digit. Okay, see, as first we'll place them in the place value chart. Okay, then we will write place value one by one. Okay, you know how to write the place value of a number. Okay, so 9 is at 1's place, so its place value is 9. 8 is at 10's place, so its place value is 80 or 8 tenths. 7 is at 100's place, so its place value is 700. 6 is at 1000's place, so its place value is 6000. 5 is at 10,000's place, so its place value is 50,000. Place value of 4 is lakh, so its place value is 4 lakh. Place value of 3 is 10 lakh, so its value is 30 lakh. Place value of 2 is crore, so its value is 2 crore, and place value of 1 is 10 crore, so its place value is 10 crores, right? Example 5, you have to write this number in expanded form, and example 6, you have to write this expanded form in the short form. Okay. Now, comparison and ordering of large numbers. To compare two large numbers, we adopt the following rules. Rule 1, compare the number of digits of both. If the number of digits are different, then the number with more digits is greater. Example, in comparing these two numbers, what we note, see, let's first come the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what we know that the second number has 9 digits while the first has only 8 digits, and the second number is greater, obviously. Okay. Rule number 2, when the numbers to be compared are having the same number of digits, we follow the steps given below. Number 1, compare the digits at the extreme left. If number 2, if they are equal, then compare the second digits from the left. Third, if they two are equal, then compare the third digits from the left. And number 4, continue till process till we come across unequal digits at the corresponding places. The number with greater, such a digit is greater. In previous classes also, we have learned how to compare the numbers. Okay, so in this class, rule is same. Okay, so let's do example 7. We have to compare these two numbers. So first rule is we should count the how many digits are there, number of digits. Okay, and as we can see, number of digits are equal. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, okay. So, digits are equal. So, first we will compare extreme left digit, which is 2. Here also 2, then we will move to next digit. Here it is 3, here also 3, then we will move to next place, which is 4, and here also 4. Then we will move to next place. Okay. Here digit is 5, here also 5. Okay, then what next? We will continue the process. Okay, next we'll move, here is 3 and here 6. So which one is greater, 3 or 6? Obviously 6 is greater. So that means this number is greater than this number, or you can say this number is lesser than this number. Okay. Example 8, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Okay. Step 1, line up the numbers by place value. Step 2, there are 2 9-digit numbers, 2 8-digit numbers and 1 7-digit number. Okay. Comparing 9-digit numbers, 9 10 crore is greater than 8 10 crore, and hence this number is greater than this number. Comparing 8-digit numbers, 7 crore is greater than 3 crore. Hence this number is greater than this number. So 7-digit number is the smallest. Okay. So here numbers are arranged in descending order, right? And if we have to arrange them in ascending order, then we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now next number, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, so you have given the numbers. So step 1, line up the given numbers by place values. Number 2, comparing the 3 9-digit numbers. See, what we find? This is the ascending order. Also because 6-digit number is less than 7-digit number is less than 8-digit number. So this is the order. Okay. Hence the number in ascending order are written as these. Okay. Let's do exercise 1.1. Rewrite the following numerals using commas to separate the periods according to Indian place value chart. Okay, you just have to put a comma to separate the periods. Okay, so how do we separate the periods? First 1, 2, 3. This is one's period. Then 1, 2, comma. This is thousands period. Then this is lakhs period. Okay. And question number 2, rewrite the following numerals using space to separate the periods according to the Indian place value chart. And question number 2, we don't have to put comma. We just have to leave a gap or leave a space. Okay. So you have this digit. So simply what will you do? Leave a space, then 7, then leave a space, then 5. Right? Now, international place value system. You know, place value system is not uniform throughout the world. Apart from the Indian place value system, there is an international place value system followed by many countries. It is shown below. See, ones period, we have ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands period, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Okay, here one more number is added. Okay, next. Now here we do not have lakhs or crores in international system. Instead we have millions. Okay, 1 million, 10 million, 100 millions. Okay, so what is the difference between Indian and international place value systems? In the Indian system, from the right, after the first period of 3 digits, all other periods consist of 2 digits only. Whereas in the international system, each period consists of 3 digits. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So each period has 3 digits, right? The above chart can be extended to the left to include more than 9 digits. After the millions period, we have the billions period. Okay, thus 1000 million is equals to 1 billion. Okay, and 100 crore means 1 billion, right? Example 10, write in the international system the numeral and number name each of the following diagram represent. Okay, so this is the numeral. Okay, so how will we write it? Number name, this is 2,323,202. okay, and this is, okay, let's do it. See, this is ones period, this is thousands period, here I am talking about periods, and this is millions period. Okay, so this is 123, and we are talking about which period? We are talking about million period. So 123 million. Okay, now move on to next period. 211,000. Okay, because we are talking about here thousands period. And next 12. Right? Okay. Now example 11, write the following numbers in the international system and write their number names. Here also you have to write their number names, right? Example 12, write the numeral for each of the following using the international place value chart. Okay, so what we have first, 7,535,085. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and then we have 100,000, million, okay, and 10 million. So we have 6 million. So we will write 6 here, 535,000. So this is the thousand period, 535,000, and then we have 85, means this, and here we will write a 0. B part, 645,275,157. Okay, so here it is 645 million. So in millions period we will write 645, and then we have 275,157, right? Now let's do exercise 1.2. write the numeral and number name each diagram represents. Okay, so this is here 2, 3 beads are here, then 3, okay, then 4, 2, 3, 1 and 1. Okay, so now we have written the numeral. Now we'll write the number name. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, this is 11 million. Okay, 324,000, 324,000, and now we have in one period 332. Okay, so 332. Okay student, now similarly you will do other parts also and you will do practice of the remaining questions.